This is CAD Methods, and it's Lab 3.1, Part 1, Exercise 11-6, right there, page 437 in your book. I'm just going to open up the previous exercise and keep building on that one. Now, using the notepad, create a text file that contains the following information. So, what I'm going to do, I've been storing my files here in my documents, and I did this once already, but I'm going to go ahead and delete that file. And what I'm going to do right here in my documents, I'm going to right click and tell it I need a new file, and that I want to create a text file, and that I want to call it notes. That's it. Now, this text isn't externally named, and so on and so on. I'm just going to highlight that text, copy it out of my book, open up my notepad, and paste that in there. And I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm just going to paste it in there, close it, save it. Now I have a document, a text document that I can use for the purposes of the exercise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the page. And then it'll go ahead and give you the directions on how to do this on the next page. So let's move this over. I'm going to go in here to AutoCAD, and I'm going to say mtext, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw this out. It says 2 by 2, so 2 by 2. Now that I have my text box, I'm going to right click in the text box where it would type, and I get a lot of choices in here. And one of those choices is to bring in a text file, and that would be import text. So where do you want to import the text? I'm into my documents folder from the notes file, and I don't even have to open and look it in there, and it'll bring it in there, and that's my text file. Next, it wants us to make the whole box that is in red and then center align the paragraph. So I'm going to double click it again, and just anywhere in there, I'm going to right click and tell it that I want the background mask to be red. Make it red. And say OK. And then the whole box turns red. Now it wants me to center align the whole paragraph. So I'm going to select the whole thing, come up here to my justifications. I'm not going to use these. I'm just going to use this one here, center. And then that's it. Then that completes this lab. So I'm just going to go up, and I'm going to do a save as and change it to 6. And that's exercise 11-6.